Running incomes on Redfin involves using its tools to assess the value of a property by comparing it to similar properties that have recently sold in the same area. Here's how to run comps on Redfin effectively. Search for the property. Begin by entering the address or location of the property you want to evaluate in the Redfin search bar. View property details. Click on the property listing to view details such as square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, lot size, and any recent renovations or upgrades. Use Redfin's estimate tool. Redfin provides an automated estimate of the property's value based on its proprietary algorithm and local market data. This estimate can serve as a starting point for your analysis. Compare similar properties. Scroll down the property listing page to view recently sold homes in the same neighborhood or area. Redfin allows you to filter these properties based on similar criteria. Analyze sales data. Review the details of comparable properties to assess similarities and differences with the subject property. Consider factors like condition, location, and amenities to gauge their impact on value. Adjust for differences. Make adjustments to the comps if necessary. For instance, adjust for differences in size, condition, or upgrades compared to the subject property. Finalize your analysis. Use the information gathered to estimate the fair market value of the property in question. Consider consulting with a real estate agent or appraiser for a more detailed comparative market analysis if needed.